dress can go even up to here, backless, you will still not be able to see the bra at all because it's only there. This is how my bra looks like, and that's how it looks at the back. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, I'm actually doing a DIY. As you know, your DIY girl is here. So in today's video, this video is actually inspired by Fumi Desalu-Vold. It's actually a backless bra, alright? Whereby, if you have your dress and you're always struggling to find proper bras where they don't show at the back, like this one that I'm having, right? And you don't want your bra to show if you're having a backless dress. For example, this top of mine, it's backless. So if you're wearing a bra that is having a stripe at the back, you would actually be able to see it, and we don't want to see that, all right? So what you'll be needing, it's an old bra. I would say try the old bra first. This is my old bra. Can't believe I'm showing you guys my bras, all right? So it's an old bra. So what you're gonna do, cut. You see the straps there? You are going to cut this bra, this whole part. This whole part, you cut this whole part off. This whole part is gonna go, all right? And then you just make sure you secure the stripes there. So you have to remove it from here at the end and just keep it here. This part, keep it, okay? And then you can use your machine, or you can use a needle and thread and just do it manually. I'm still learning how to use this thing, so I won't use it today. And your scissors, obviously, which you're gonna cut with. So let's just get started. Okay, so this part is gone, and then you have to cut this off as well. Okay, then you have your bra like this. So your bra will be something like this, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and cut the other side as well. Okay, and then our bra is going to look something like this. It looks so cute, guys. It looks very cute. Look at this. So it looks like this, né? Something like that. And you must make sure your bra has a wire at the bottom so that it can support your boobs, you know? So it must have a wire. It mustn't be a wireless bra. Okay? And then the next thing we're going to do is we are going to sew this stripe here. This stripe, we are going to sew it here, okay? We're gonna sew it here. They need to be something like that. And obviously you can adjust your stripe anytime you want, if it's too tight for you, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and sew this part as well as this side. Here. I'm gonna sew it here, inside, né? Just make sure you sew it on tightly. Let's be really, really secure. Okay. Okay, so that is done. You can see this is how it looks like. And then we're gonna do the other side as well. So you can see your stripes are still adjustable. You must have this thing to be able to adjust them in. So this is how it looks on this side. I'm gonna do the other side as well. Just make sure when you sew it on, it mustn't be tangled. Then we're gonna put it here, right here. Let me just adjust it a bit. Right here. Don't put your needle in your mouth. It's unhealthy, especially if you share needles. My laptop almost scared me. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like. I'm gonna put it on and then I'll come and show you guys. Okay, so this is how my bra looks like, and this is how it looks at the back. All right, that's how it looks. I'm literally showing you guys. So this is how it looks. With Fumi, she put a bra strap at the bottom here, just in case your dress can't secure it here. If you have a tight dress, it will actually stay put, you know. If your dress is not secure, then you need to put a tape here. But otherwise, it's properly on. Try not to show you guys my bra, but like you can see how my back is backless. So I'm gonna wear the top now and then I'll show you. Okay, I'm having the shirt on. You can see here in front, it looks proper. And then at the back, you see? I always used to struggle like wearing this top with something. You can see nicely, there we are. Even here, if your dress can go even up to here backless, you will still not be able to see the bra at all because it's only there, you know. So you see, so yeah, that's basically the look. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Mwah. We are actually giving a shout out to I am the Pewa, AV Muzaza, Sissy K, and Emma Kamati. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe again.